Hi, everyone. Coach Sullivan from MGS Coaching Football again. Sorry about that. To my subscribers, I thank you. And to those who haven't yet, I really hope you do. I just completed my 38th year coaching football. Sorry, I'm struggling here with the angle today. I was a defensive coordinator, but over that time, I've also been an offensive coordinator, special teams coordinator, longtime head coach, and all of this at both the collegiate and high school levels. What I'd like to talk to you about in this presentation is one of our combo blitzes that we call DAB, and it's actually a named combo, so it's specifying exactly which two defenders are involved ahead of time. And I'm going to show it to you versus both 21 and 10 personnel. Okay, so over here, I have the key terms that are involved in DAB. And then over here, I will illustrate it for you with some of the key coaching points. Okay, up top it's versus 21, middle of the field, and the bottom it's versus 10, middle of the field. All right. So the key terms, first one is what's meant by a name or paired combo. Okay. Well, DAB is dime and backer, DAB, dime and backer. So when we talk about DAB, okay, it's the dime and the backer. As you'll see, they travel together. Okay? So, number two, what is meant by dab is the lucky Ringo goes to the dime. Okay? The first letter, D, dime. Okay? And then the dime is the go, right? A combo takes two families, the go and the plug, and combines them. The difference now is since it's a named combo, as you'll see in a little bit, where each is affected. So the dime is executing the go. I'll go over the rules and the techniques of a go. The backer is plug and A gap. And the defensive line is executing what's called a go X. So non-subscribers, you have to push that button so you can get access to everything and figure out what a go X is. Okay? So number three, and I'm not going to go over this much. I will spin the safeties just so you can see how the safeties tie in with a blitz coming from the outside. But other than that, I'm not going to get into it. Okay, it's trio, which is a zone blitz coverage. So again, non-subscribers, if you push that button, you have access to everything. So now here we are. What's meant by the importance of a named combo is this. The go and the plug come from the same side. Okay? Combines the go and the plug, but it's coming from the same side. Okay? So it's a whole different blitz pattern for the offense. It's simple for us. Go and a plug, that's simple. And we're even specifying the two defenders because they're going to be on the same side. All right? So that's what it means. And that's significant because non-subscribers, a regular combo, it's different. And it's not always specified which the two defenders are. Whoa, how's that for a tease? All right, number five, this is also, I'm only showing it to you versus 21 and 10, but it's good versus all personnel groups 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22. We've run it versus all of them. Okay? And then finally, number six, it's good versus run and pass. It's good versus zone read. It's good versus power read. It's good versus RPO. Okay, when you see the blitz pattern, I think you'll be able to pick that up. Okay, because I'm not going to get into any offensive plays or anything from the offensive side. Okay, so now what I want to do is over here, up top, it's versus 21 I Pro. It's middle of the field. On the bottom, it's versus 10 gun Detroit pistol. So it's 2x2. Okay, again, 10 personnel, 2x2. Right, again, but it's middle of the field. Okay, so up top, right, it's a Liz because it goes, the Liz is to a receiver side. Tight end's number two. Over here, sorry. One receiver is what we just designated as 1X because he's away from the pass strength. There's only one wide receiver there. Okay, 1X. So notice right off the bat, okay, dime, backer, they travel together. So they're on the same side. Okay, remember, Lucky Ringo and Dab goes to the dime. So this is a Ringo, which triggers a Roger. So the safeties will spin post snap. That's huge. After the ball snaps, so we don't tip our hand. Okay? So now, right, dime executes the go. On snap of the football. A go. It's a C-gap blitz. He's coming right off his first level landmark, which is the near hip butt of the tackle. Okay? The technique and the rules, he's a spill and chase. So run comes to him, he's going to spill it. Run goes away, he's going to chase it. Bend and chase. Okay? Defensive line, what's meant by a go X, defensive end call side, slant B gap, nose, slants A away. Okay, which opens up A gap plug from the backer. So see, a go and a plug from the same side, that's a whole new blitz pattern. Okay, and a whole new blitz pattern. And so why we would run this versus 21, it's fantastic on run plays away, like a tight end oriented two-back team, run a lot of power to the tight end, ISO to the tight end, even possibly split zone to the tight end. These guys bending hard from the backside, cut down on the cutbacks. All right, true power wants to come downhill into the A gap. Well, that's taken care of with all kinds of hard pursuit coming from the backside. It's also obviously terrific versus isolation to the two-man surface. Split side power. You're going to blow that thing up, spill it, because on the snap of the football, he's screwing down. He's got force, sky support. And plus, he's adding to the box. And he's rotating middle of third. There's the safety spin, right? Ringo triggers Roger. Post snap. So now you spill that power play right to your force defender, the safety, right? It's a beautiful thing. That's why we would run Dab versus 21i Pro. Okay? Down here versus 10, right? You got to see here an even call, even. I don't mind giving you this, non-subscribers. That means rover stays right, dime stays left, and the mic travels with the rover, backer travels with the dime. Boom, done. So that sets up our named combo here, which is Dab, right? So it's going to be a Lucky, which triggers a Louie. Lucky triggers a Louie. Here he's not a part of the formation, but that's where he's supposed to align. Non-subscribers. Here he's detached, right? So he's going to blitz from here. He does not hedge on the snap of the football. Same aiming point, near hip, butt of the tackle, right? He's still spill and chase. He's still slant B. He's still slant A opposite. He's still plugging A gap. Right, whole different blitz pattern. That's why you can, as I told you, you could see how this would be effective versus zone read, power read, and RPO. Snap of the ball, sky. He's reading the surface as he screws down post snap. He was reading the surface up there as well. My apology. If it's pass, he's hard on two, right? He's still rotating middle. And he too, as well, meaning is reading surface on the way, reading surface on the way. Okay? This would have been orbit up here. This is orbit here. Okay? So that is how it works. Again, the go and the plugs coming from the same side. It's a named combo. Dab, dime, and backer. It's a wonderful thing. Okay? We'd run it versus one back like this to give a different look versus zone read, power read, right? RPO. We're hot there. We'd be hot everywhere, although I said I wasn't going to get into the trio, so I'm not. But it's fantastic versus the RPO. Okay? So as I said at the beginning, to my subscribers, I thank you. Not subscribers, I hope I've teased you enough into pushing that button. To everyone, any questions, please reach out to me at coachmjsullivan@gmail.com. And it's working. And that this is the opportunity for me to thank YouTube for providing this platform. And coaches, let's get together and make the most of it.